Sweet Decor is innovation techniques and nature's recipes without antibiotics and disinfectants for healthy animals. The HooF PRO series is a complex probiotic concentrate for the hoof's sanitation with a pronounced antagonistic action to pathogens. Eliminates the cause of surface inflammation of bacterial character, create the protective barrier which is a stable bacterial equilibrium, without antibiotics and disinfectants for healthy animals. The HooF PRO series is innovation techniques and preparations for the professional treatment and sanitations of hoofs. The HooF PRO spray has styptic antibacterial, fungicidal and regenerative action, saturates with a broad spectrum of microelements, improves restorative processes of hoofs and skin, promotes the dead skin peeling, breeding grounds of pathogenic flora which is hard to reach by ordinary disinfectant preparations disappear, prevents from spalling of hoofs, creates a specific film and over a few hours stimulates anti-inflammatory action, accelerates the injured skin healing. A complex of natural repellents creates a protective barrier from insects. Active agents of the HooF PRO preparation function synergistically, ensuring a high therapeutic effectiveness of the preparation. Advantages of the HooF PRO spray: free of antibiotics and other harmful components to the organism. There is no withdrawal period. Stops a wound fast. Reduces painful sensation in the invaded tissues and the stress of the animal. Entirely safe for animal and man. The product is ecologically safe for the environment due to the technology bag-on-valves. HooF PRO Gel for Hoofs 300 ml. The HooF PRO series is a super concentrated gel which is used for the prophylaxis and treatment of the following hoof diseases of cattle: the hoof rot, digital dermatitis, the papillomatous digital dermatitis, an acute hoof rot. The content of minerals inorganic from ensures fast healing effect and further prophylaxis. The HooF PRO gel has styptic antibacterial, fungicidal and regenerative action, saturates with a broad spectrum of microelements, accelerates of release of the purulent effluent, improves restorative processes of hooves and skin, prevents from the spalling of hooves and skin, creates a specific film and over a few hours stimulates anti-inflammatory and pre-drying action, accelerates the injured skin healing. Active agents of the HooF PRO gel function synergistically, ensuring a high therapeutic effectiveness of the preparation. Doesn't contain antibiotics and detrimental to health components. There is no withdrawal period. Stops a wound fast. Has a broad spectrum of antibacterial action. Reduce painful sensation in the invaded tissues and the stress of the animal. Entirely safe for animal and man. Easy to use. The product is ecologically safe for the environment. The HooF PRO Cleaner is a probiotic remedy for the surface cleaning of animals' skin, limbs and hooves with a disinfecting effect of durable action. It is used for the cleaning of cattle in the cleaning bath before the hooves sanitation, the washing and superficial cleaning of cattle, horse, goat, sheep and pig livestock, penetrates fast through pollutions and repels it from the surface, free of preservatives, chlorine and dioxide containing components, forms healthy microflora thanks to probiotics, deodorizes, practices high level of hygiene, has durable action, no less than 100 hours. Advantages of the HooF PRO Cleaner probiotic remedy: simultaneously removes dirt and disinfects the skin surface, free of antibiotics, chlorine dioxide, ruins the biofilm, a protective membrane of pathogens, reduces, not conceals, heavy smells, entirely safe for animal and man. The HooF PRO concentrate for the hoof's bath, 10 liters. The HooF PRO series is a probiotic remedy for the surface cleaning of animals' skin, limbs and hooves with disinfective effect of durable action. Components of the HooF PRO saturates limbs with a broad spectrum of microelements, improves restorative processes of hooves, promotes the dead skin peeling, creates a specific film. In medicine it's called a salt coat, and over a few hours simulates anti-inflammatory and lymph drainage action of the concentrate, eliminates edema, inflammation. This remedy is used with the help of bath method by immersing hooves into the concentrate process solution. For the sanitation of hooves, it is necessary to use a 5% solution. In case of the bath pollution, the concentrate doesn't sink to the bottom. That allows to get a high treatment effect for all animals, the first and the last ones. Entirely safe for animal and man. We use 3 preparations of the HooF PRO series for the sanitation of hooves. The HooF PRO Cleaner cleans the hooves and prepares it for the next bath. The HooF PRO heals and reinforces the hooves. The HooF BioPro stabilizes microflora on the hoof surface. Our specialists work side by side with vet orthopedists. We support our products at households. It is safe to say that all 3 products effectively work in a complex. The HooF BioPro concentrate for the hoof's bath. Occupy surface fast. Penetrate deep into the microfractures. Ruin the biofilm. Have the antagonistic effect on the pathogenic flora. Ensures the stable bacterial equilibrium on the surface, a biological protective barrier. The HooF PRO for the sanitation of limbs by spraying, 5 liters. Is a complex concentrate for the sanitation of limbs with a pronounced bactericidal effect. The HooF PRO saturates limbs with a broad spectrum of microelements, improves restorative processes of hooves, promotes the dead skin peeling, breeding grounds of pathogenic flora which is hard to reach by ordinary disinfectant preparations disappear, prevents from spalling, creates a specific film over a few hours, stimulates anti-inflammatory and lymph drainage action of the concentrate, eliminates edema and limbs inflammation, accelerates a release of a purulent effluent, accelerates a healing of joints and hooves. Active agents of the HooF PRO preparation function synergistically, ensuring a high therapeutic effectiveness of the preparation. The concentrate is used for the sanitation of limbs of cattle, sheep, goat and pig livestock in case of hooves or joints diseases. For assistance in the treatment of animals sick with necrobacteriosis, hoof rot, arthritis, bursitis and its prophylaxis. This remedy is used by spraying on the limb-affected area or sanitation of the probable disease zone. There is a capacious word maintenance in the Ukrainian language. It means that for thousands of years our ancestors managed animals in a harmony with the nature. They fed, healed and treated them in a way to get safe and healthy food. Our technicians continue such traditions. This is my lifetime project.